everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is for all the seafood lovers. I'm going to share a wonderful spicy and tangy fish curry with the goodness of raw mangoes. We're going to make this very popular Nellore Chepala Pulusu. This is Nellore style fish curry. You don't want to miss this, so let's get started and check it out.
For this recipe, I have taken 2 kilos of fresh emperor fish. Make sure you pick the freshest catch available. I've cleaned the medium-sized fish pieces thoroughly and I've placed them in a large bowl. Now to marinate the fish, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Coat the pieces well and let them rest while we prepare the base for our curry.
So I usually prefer marinating the fish pieces with salt, chili powder and turmeric powder because it adds a lot of flavor to the pieces as well as to the fish curry. So this is something that I regularly do when I make fish curry.
Now let's make a flavor-packed masala powder that's going to give this curry its unique punch. To the pan, add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Roast the ingredients well until golden and aromatic. Turn off the stove and let this cool completely. Once cooled, transfer this to the mixer jar and grind it into a nice fine powder. Keep this fragrant spice mix aside. For the best flavor, I've always preferred making this curry in a clay pot and that's exactly what I'm using today. Place the clay pot on the stove and pour in 5 tablespoons of oil. Yes, a little extra oil makes the fish curry richer and more delicious. So once the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. As the mustard seed starts spluttering, add 3 large onions finely chopped. Next, I'm adding 10 garlic cloves, 6 green chilies and roast them along with the onions until everything turns golden brown and aromatic. Sauteing the onions is going to take a while, so keep the flame on high while doing this. Next, toss in a few fresh curry leaves. Now it's time to spice things up. Add 1.5 teaspoons of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Give everything a good mix so that the spices coat the onion base evenly. Now I'm adding the puree of 2 large tomatoes and cook the mixture until the raw smell goes. This will roughly take about 5 minutes. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of tamarind water. Now I've prepared this by soaking a lemon-sized ball of tamarind and extracting the juice. Mix everything well. Next, add another 2 cups of plain water and let the whole curry base come to a good boil. Once the gravy starts boiling, gently drop in the marinated fish pieces one by one. Then use your hands or a spoon to place them carefully so they don't break. You can use any fish variety to make this curry, but emperor fish works beautifully. Don't stir the curry with a ladle at this stage. Instead, hold the pot with a kitchen towel and give it a gentle swirl to mix. Now close the pot with the lid and let the fish cook in the curry for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the fish will be soft and tender and the curry will have thickened beautifully. At this stage, I'm adding 4 teaspoons of the ground masala powder. Add little by little and swirl the pot again gently so everything mixes well. Avoid using a ladle and mixing the curry too much. As the fish is delicate, it might break. Finally, add chopped raw mango pieces for that delicious tangy twist. Give it a gentle mix, close the lid again and cook for another 10 minutes. Now let's check on the fish curry. Wow, just look at that absolutely delicious and mouth-watering Nellore style fish curry. Finally, finish off by adding some fresh chopped coriander leaves and turn off the stove. Let this rest for a few minutes. The balance of spice, tanginess from the mango and tamarind and that irresistible aroma of fish makes this curry an absolute winner. This Nellore fish curry, cooked in the traditional way with bold spices and tangy touch, is a seafood lover's delight.
Well, here is the special Nellore Chepala Pulusu. This fish curry is one of my favorites, and of course I can't wait to try it. I'm already drooling. So here you go. Wow. The flavor is incredible. The fish is so soft and so fresh. The flavor is just spot on. It's got the lovely tanginess and the mild spiciness, and of course the flavors of mango that's infused in this curry. It's a wonderful dish. You don't want to miss this. I absolutely and thoroughly enjoyed making this fish curry and eating it as well. I'm sure you can tell. So make sure to follow all the steps to get it perfectly, and make sure the fish is nice and fresh. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications.
The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.